Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage noise suppression on voice settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you will find voice settings, click on it like this, and here as you see you will find noise suppression, and here you can manage your noise suppression settings easy and quick. You can make it non-standard, crisp. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.